Hi you guys, it is classroom setup day 2. My car is packed, my mom's car is packed, and we are headed to the school. So let's go. Okay guys, we have all of my stuff from my car and my mom's car in here. So now we're gonna kind of come up with a game plan because I have a bunch of stuff on my desks and we haven't decorated anything yet. So we're gonna start a game plan first and maybe we'll write on this whiteboard. Here is my sweet fiance building my chair for me. Here's like an overview of the room. There's like my kids' books. I got all these storage containers from Oriental Trading, and then those are just old ones. We're kind of figuring out what we want to put in there, but I think I'm gonna empty this whole thing off and put some of my bins right here, there. Mom is cleaning this little display book thing I got. Got this off of Facebook Marketplace. And I didn't have one last year, so I really wanted one this year. It was only like $15. It's very dusty. Okay, Mom finished this, and we just put that there for right now. And I've been kind of organizing these, so I'll show you. So this is all of my like math stuff right here. And then I have like little things that I got from like Hand to Mind. Their little like time game, and then their money game, and then putting phonics stuff down here. We have a lot of this stuff still out. We're gonna go ahead and put some things on this bookshelf. Brett is still working on the chair. Mom is hard at work. Okay, I'm not sure where I left off, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some of our first week read alouds on my little display shelf. So that's what we're gonna do. Taking a little dinner break at Old Subway. Okay guys, we are back. I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, and put some read alouds on this display shelf, and then I'll keep you updated. Here is what the display book looks like. All right, so here's my closet. I showed you all this in the last classroom setup. We had to like just throw all of this stuff in here. So right now I'm gonna take everything on this little level out. I have everything off of the floor. I should have a bookshelf there, so I think I need to like message my principal about that, but then that'll be the only other thing on the ground. All right, I have these things that I got last year from the Target section. I'm putting in these little bins. So I have a bunch of these, and then I have the little hashtag building blocks that I'm gonna put in one. My closet is looking so good. My mom just went through and organized all of these drawers. So here's like utensils. We have like cups, and then we have like party stuff, so paper plates, napkins, and streamers. And here we have like craft stuff, more craft stuff, and then that's just extra stuff. So that's looking good. And then all of these look good. Look at the trash, you guys. All these boxes. Man, okay. I emptied off my desk a little bit. I went through some things. Here's like an overview. There's just a lot of little stuff everywhere that we're like just trying to figure out like where to put it, what to do with it, all of that. Like, I don't know. Also, that's my rocking chair. My grandma gave that to me, and I'm hoping that obviously such animals won't stay on it, but I'm hoping we can somehow make it fit in here because it's definitely tight in here and I can't have it blocking the emergency exit, but we'll figure it out. So that concludes day 2 of classroom setup. We got a lot of like organizing and stuff done. It's hard to see like the big picture of how things will look. We also haven't decorated anything, but this is like the main thing for me because switching classrooms, you just have so many extra things they have to go through and like organize. So hopefully tomorrow we can get all the organizing done and everything, and that way we can start decorating and doing the fun stuff, but I'm excited. We are here for classroom setup day 3. So today we're gonna do maybe some decorating. This is the state of my room right now. Just so messy, but hopefully we'll get a lot done today. So our game plan is we are going to go through all my Oriental trading boxes and put those in the cabinet, and then I want to try and do that bulletin board, the one outside my classroom, maybe even the big one that's like I have 2 outside of my classroom. And hopefully we can just like start seeing this kind of come together more because it's so stressful, and like it just having stuff everywhere is so stressful. And like my desk area, maybe we can get that done today. We're gonna be here a couple hours and I have a friend coming too. My mom is also here helping, so I'll have 2 very good helpers. My mom's the best. She always comes and helps me, so super thankful. And let's go ahead and get started cleaning all this up. All right, we're gonna move one of these bookshelves inside my closet because I just don't think I need 2 this year. So that's what me and mom are gonna do. All right, guys, we have made such good progress. We're getting kind of things out of the way. We went through my Oriental trading boxes and we put those in the places that they're gonna go. And then we moved the bookshelf into my closet. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so now the floor is clear. I don't know if I ever updated y'all on that. And then here is the bookshelf in here. I put just like my seasonal read alouds. I have them separated by holiday and season and all that here. And then lanyards for things. Here's like big bulletin board sets. And then kind of all of that. But we are making such good progress. There's like a lot of stuff, like, I mean, it still looks like a lot of stuff, but I feel good about the progress we've made. I've been adding like things to my bins and we are doing good. I like that there's only going to be 1 there, which will obviously center that, and I have lots of pillows and stuff. So me and mom are now going to work on my little desk area and kind of getting my whole space situated. Here is the before. This probably isn't staying here. I had that last year, but I have my desk, my computer desk, and then I'll have like my rolling cart there. So we have this whole space. I'm gonna clean my whiteboard now and then kind of work on this. The whiteboard is all clean, so I'm gonna put a border around it. So I'm just putting magnets on the back of the border so that it'll just be magnetic up there. You guys, I love it. I got this border from Hobby Lobby. I think it just spices up the whiteboard. Here's another look at it. It's so cute. We're gonna do this bulletin board now, and that's that little area over there. I don't know about y'all, but bulletin boards are my favorite thing to do. Just kidding, you guys. We're gonna wait on the bulletin board because I use fabric, and I love fabric, but it can be like, this isn't the one we're using, but you can see there's like wrinkles in it. And so we're gonna take it home and my mom's gonna iron it. I'm doing like a pink little like polka dot one that I did from last year. So we're gonna wait on that one, but we're gonna do the one in the hallway because I'm gonna use the Better Than Paper bulletin board paper, and I absolutely love that bulletin board paper. Okay, we finished my huge bulletin board out here with the Better Than Paper bulletin board paper and then Hobby Lobby border. I think it looks so good. I don't know what I'm putting on it yet, so if you guys have any suggestions, this is literally the first thing you see when you come into our school, so I want it to be pretty. And it's something that I can kind of stay up for like a little while, not just the very beginning of the school year. So drop any suggestions. When you come in, it may still look messy, but we are making progress. I moved my bookshelf right underneath this. Like I said, we're gonna steam or iron whatever the fabric. I like that there because it covers the plug and the cord. And then I think I'll probably just put flexible seating like in those areas. I don't know. I think it's just like hard to visualize when like it looks messy right now, because like those things won't stay on there like that. That was from 3rd grade. Obviously my books aren't gonna be like that. I had those 2 bookshelves from 3rd grade and I had books on all of it, and it was like a huge library, but I just don't have room. So I have like the display shelf and I really like that, and then I'll have that and I'll just change those out like whenever I feel like I need to. But that's why I feel like I only need 1 bookshelf there. We're putting I have like just a bunch of seasonal stuff in here. So my mom started, but here's like for fall. And then I have like Christmas stuff, more Christmas things, fall little tractor, and I'll put that in my closet. Look how cute these name tags are, by the way. I'm obsessed. They match the little rainbow border. We are gonna revert back to my desk area. But mom cleaned all this. It looks great. This was a Squishmallow from my student last year. I need to give it back to her. But here's just my bin where I put like newsletters and stuff like that. And then, like I said, my mom cleaned all of that. And then we took the contact paper off here because it was just like peeling anyways. And it looks honestly so nice. And it came off great. My mom did a fantastic job of that. And so let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and clean off my desk and get this situated. Look who's here. My desk area is coming along. We put my pins and stuff out. I mean, there's still stuff kind of everywhere, but over there looks so nice and clean. And we're kind of getting some walkway here, which is nice. We're gonna figure out what to do with this space. Okay, we decided we're gonna put my little magnetic rod with my paper. I put their spelling words on this last year. I don't know what I'll do with it this year. And then leaving room for either like lunch or behavior chart or something there. And then my affirmation station is gonna just go right here. Perfect fit. Alrighty, you guys, day 3 is done and I feel so good about everything we got done. We got like a lot of my desk done and we got the whiteboard done, the bulletin board outside. We at least got the bulletin board paper on it and the border, and just the floor in here is like actually clear. So I know a lot will get done tomorrow. We're gonna be back for day 4. So make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and I'm excited.